Good day. I will talk about the journal on the brain tumor MRI, image segmentation and detection in image processing. These are by authors Rohini Paul Joseph, C. Senthil Singh, and M. Manikandan. They are from the Department of Electronics in Anna University in Chennai, India. For the introduction, medical imaging, especially MRI, has transformed the diagnosis and treatment of medical conditions. But despite its advantages, traditional approaches to identifying brain tumors, such as manually segmenting MRI scans, are resource intensive, time consuming, and heavily dependent on the radiologist's expertise. So, therefore, automated image segmentation seeks to address these limitations by breaking down medical images into more meaningful and easy to analyze components. They have two objectives. The first one is to enhance segmentation accuracy using k means clustering and morphological filtering. The objective two is to provide a user friendly interface for practical clinical applications. They also use two main methods, which are the k-means clustering and the morphological filtering. In k-means clustering, group of pixels into clusters based on similarity. They also assign pixels to the nearest cluster based on distance and recalculate cluster centers as the mean of assigned pixels. Whereas in morphological filtering, this method is to refine segmentation results using structuring elements. They use a disc-shaped structuring element which applies both erosion and dilation. So their reasons for choosing these specific methods is the k-means clustering is simple and effective for large datasets and has fast convergence, whereas in the morphological filtering, it enhances clarity of segmented regions and reduces misclassified or the noisy areas. So for the implementation, they have proposed a block diagram. So in figure 1, the first is to choose an input MRI image. The second is the pre-processing stage, which converts MRI images to grayscale and remove the noise using a median filter. Next is the segmentation. This uses k-means clustering to partition images into clusters. And then next is the post-processing, which is the morphological filtering. It applies to refine the tumor detection. Next is the visualization, which in this one is the highlighted tumors are detected in the MRI scans. And then next is the output image that is shown in the monitor. We also have here their proposed algorithm for their GUI. In here, in figure 2, these are MRI images that contain tumors that they took for testing their proposed algorithm. The brain tumor location is found out by applying the proposed algorithm using the MATLAB simulator. So we have here their testing and the results of their GUI in the MATLAB simulator. So in figure 3, we have here the original brain MR image with the tumor. So they chosen the input brain MR image from the database and have taken the number of the k-means clusters as 4. So for the second one, in figure 4, this is the clustering of the brain tumor of the MRI. This shows the final clustering of the brain MRI image after being processed by the algorithm. So finally, in step 3, This is the figure number 5 that shows the final tumor detected from the portion of the MRI image. So, this journal concludes that the segmentation of brain images is crucial for surgical and treatment planning in the medical field. So, this study introduces a computer aided system for segmenting brain MRI images to detect tumor locations. The proposed method utilizes the K means clustering algorithm followed by the morphological filtering, which successfully segments tumors from the various MRI images from the dataset. So, for reference, uh, these are the biographies of the author. This is also retrieved from the IJRET from the http://ijret.org. That is all. Thank you.